If you want to stack objects together, then you can use something called Workplane. So in order to do that, I'm going to bring in a box right here. And now if I want to place out, let's say for example, a box right on top of it, then I can use the Workplane. So I'm going to click on Workplane right here. And if I were to click on the top, you can see that there's another Workplane created on top of it right here. So if I were to drag in the box, you can see that it is placed right above it. I can also click on the Workplane and click on the side, so it takes the side as the reference point, and then I can bring in something like a cylinder, and this is what you have. If I were to go around into Workplane, you can see that it takes each face side as a reference. So if I were to take this side as a reference, that is how it works. So if I were to go around and bring in a roof, you can see that I can place it out right on that angle. So let's say I want to work around on this angle, click on Workplane, click here. This is what happens. So if I were to go around over here onto pyramid, I can place it out right there. And you can see that I can do a perfect stacking. I can click over here and then I can add in a wedge right here and it stacks up right onto the place. Click on workspace, click over here. And then if I were to add in a heart right here, this is how it works. If I were to click on Workplane and click over here somewhere outside, let's say for example, click on the Workplane itself while Workplane is selected, you can see that it just removes out the Workplane. And this is how you can do a perfect stack of the objects right together without eyeballing it and place it together just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.